Hi everyone, I'm back with our second spotlight video in our series of Copilot features in the Arize platform. So let's pick up from where we left off. Last time we saw how to use Copilot to filter our traces, as well as get some meaningful insights about why our model is hallucinating. Now I'm going to show you how you can make a tangible change in your application. We're going to be using the same project as last time, which is the chatbot that answers questions about Arize. So let's get into one of these traces, and then go into the LLM span, and then go ahead and click Prompt Playground. So here's our current system prompt on the left, and then our variables and current output on the right. It's not enough for me to just know that this question and answer was hallucinated. I want to do something about it. So let's optimize our prompt with Copilot. Here I can type in something like, modify my prompt so that there are no more hallucinated responses. And then press enter. And now in this dropdown, I can go over to this reasoning tab and see what Copilot is thinking of doing. So it has the analysis of the original prompt and then the explanation of the improvements. And then I can go back to this optimize and see that the green changes are what it's changed, that it suggests. So I can either accept this or I can go back down here and use Copilot again to make some adjustments. For now, I'll just accept this and then press run. And within the context itself, we can see our new output. If I press run again, it comes up with the same answer. So this answer is less hallucinated now due to the fact that it's finding answers within the context itself, and without using external knowledge. So going back here into the project, I want to highlight another way that you can use Copilot when it comes to improving your product. We can go over here to the evals and tasks section and press new task. And then I'm just going to call this new test, but hopefully based on what you're using it for, you can be more descriptive. I'm going to select the current project that we're currently working on, and then I'm going to select LLM evals. So if you've never been to the Arize platform before, we already have a couple pre-made eval templates, which makes this step a whole lot easier for when you're building an eval. But I'm going to take it a step further and use Copilot to make one. So if I want an eval for how coherent an output is, I can just say, write an eval for how coherent an output is. And I'll press enter, and now it's building it. And here we have it. So I can make an adjustment now and say something like, take into consideration depth of conversation and relevance of answer to question. So if I want to be more specific about the reasoning behind my eval, I can keep modifying it until I'm happy with it. So here it'll take in, it modifies the new instructions I gave it and adds some more prompting. And then I can just say, save my eval. And now that I have it, it's created, and now it'll run within 5 minutes. And once it's done running, I can go back into my LLM tracing, and I should have them show up here. So this is where I'll leave you all for my second Copilot video, but stay tuned for the next one where I'll show you guys how to utilize all of these metrics in a really powerful way with Copilot.